welcome back to my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today's video, guys. Again and again and again. Guess what? Who is that? Our best reaction today is Putri Aryani. Alright, guys. Actually, the title of music is Rayuan Pulauyu Kilapa. Just correct me if I'm wrong, because my pronunciation, I don't know if this is good or not. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, guys. To all Indonesian, tarima kasih, and also selamat datang to my channel. Alright, guys, and also I remember that that English is I love Indonesia, and then that if I translate to Indonesia, should I tell ako sinta Indonesia, right? Just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Guys, by the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Alright, guys, and you know already, this is first time that I hear that music, but guys, this is not the first time that I reaction to her, Putri Aryani, and then you know already, the voice of her is nice and perfect. She's gifted, you know already. Everyone, they know already that one. Alright, guys, stay tuned, and we will listening that angel voice of her. Alright, stay tuned.
Dia Putri Aryani.
Wow, there is I think this is live. Wow, so nice. Bravo. So sweet ng voice.
Tanah tumpah darahku yang mulia, yang ku puja sepanjang masa. Tanah airku aman dan makmur, pulau kelapa yang amat subur, pula melati pujaan
Thank you so much. She's an angel voice. Wow. Wala naman ang boses ng batang to. There is a lot of wearing hijab, mashallah. Hopefully soon, guys. Just stay tuned in my channel. I will wear also hijab soon, but I wear hijab little bit. Galing! Bravo! music of Putri Ariani, guys. You know, guys, so amazing. You know already the Putri Ariani is, you know, she's a good singer too. And also she's my idolize also. And then she's so sweet and she's, you know, so kind person. Alright guys, by the way, before I make more reaction for her, we will give rank first. Alright guys. Dun, 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 dun. I look at dance. She's so sweet. Right now, that music of her seems like a lullaby, you know. You know what I mean. You know already that Putri Ariani is always perfect. Mia, mia, bravo, bravo. Ooh la la, right? You know, I speak a lot of language of that, but who is the one watching of me? He is, you know, from Indonesia, maatap. My God, solid. Right? Maatap, maatap, maatap. She's always maatap to me. The way she's make sing all the time. I like it. Alright guys, but if you are new to my channel guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below guys. Alright guys, stay tuned and hopefully we will make reaction for her a lot, and just comment below if you have any suggestion with her. You know, I cannot say anything for her because I always tell that she's a nice person. She's so sweet. She's so kind. She's beautiful. She's gifted. What I will say. She's a perfect, right? That's why I always give 10. Alright, guys. By the way, guys, Assalamualaikum to everyone. Alright, and see you my next reaction for her. And just comment below. Alright? But guys, don't forget to like and share and hit the bell button to always update to my vlog. Alright guys, and see you soon and masalama. I love you all.